Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS Today. I'm giving you a sneak peek into one of our most requested and most exciting topics yet. What if I told you the next elite AI role isn't trending on LinkedIn, isn't taught properly in universities, and most people in tech don't even know it exists yet? This role doesn't just use AI, it understands space itself. Companies aren't just hiring AI engineers anymore. They're quietly searching for something far more rare, a role that blends artificial intelligence, geography, real-world movement, and decision-making. They call it the Spatial AI Scientist. This role sits at the intersection of multiple high-value domains: AI, spatial intelligence, robotics, climate, infrastructure. And because very few people truly understand all of them together, demand is rising faster than traditional data science roles. Scarcity is creating opportunity. A spatial AI scientist doesn't just make maps. They teach machines how space behaves, how distance, proximity, and movement affect outcomes. Space becomes an input variable, not just a background layer. That's the shift most people miss. When you combine location with AI, you don't just analyze what happened. You predict what will happen: traffic congestion, flood risk, disease spread, or how a city evolves over time. Why is this role exploding right now? Because the world is generating spatial data at an insane rate. Satellites, drones, sensors, mobile devices, everywhere. And only recently has AI become powerful enough to understand space and time together. This isn't generic AI. Spatial AI scientists work with GeoAI, models designed for spatial relationships and temporal change. They use techniques like spatiotemporal graph neural networks to model how the real world actually behaves. Python is the core weapon here. Libraries like GeoPandas, Rasterio, PyTorch, and TensorFlow turn raw spatial data into intelligent systems. You're not just coding, you're teaching machines how to see the world. And none of this lives on a single laptop. Spatial AI operates at planetary scale. Cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud power massive spatial pipelines, processing terabytes of geospatial intelligence. The next frontier is Edge AI, intelligence moving directly onto drones, vehicles, and sensors. Decisions made instantly, not hours later in the cloud. This changes disaster response, agriculture, and autonomous systems forever. Another quiet revolution is synthetic spatial data. AI can now generate realistic geographic data to train models without privacy risks. This removes one of the biggest bottlenecks in geospatial innovation. But with power comes responsibility. Spatial AI directly affects privacy, surveillance, and equity. Bias in location data can reshape cities and lives. Responsible spatial AI isn't optional anymore. It's a career-defining requirement. Spatial AI scientists are building the brains behind autonomous vehicles and delivery drones. These systems don't just navigate. They're also reshaping climate tech, predicting floods before they happen, optimizing renewable energy locations, designing resilient cities for a changing planet. This is AI with planetary consequences. And then there's hyper-local intelligence. Cities, healthcare, and retail systems that adapt not just to who you are, but where you are and how you move through space. The fastest way into this field isn't credentials, it's proof. Build real spatial AI projects. Work with public datasets. Solve problems that matter. In the next 5 years, spatial AI will quietly become everywhere. The only question is this: will you be using it to shape the world, or competing against those who do?
Workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in AI and GIS. See you in the next video.